In the world of entrepreneurship, nothing, absolutely nothing, is more essential than setting clear, actionable goals and objectives. They are the compass guiding your business journey, the lighthouse in the stormy sea of the market, and the roadmap to your ultimate destination. So, what exactly are goals and objectives, and how do they differ? Picture yourself embarking on an adventurous journey to climb the majestic Mount Maven, a perfect analogy for your entrepreneurial quest. In this case, your goal is to reach the summit of Mount Maven, stand tall, and bask in the glory of your achievement. This is your ultimate vision, the grand dream that fuels your passion and drive. Yet, standing at the base of Mount Maven, the peak may seem incredibly far and daunting. This is where objectives come into play. Objectives are the smaller, manageable steps that you plan to take on your way to the top. They include setting up camp at specific heights, acclimatizing to the altitude, or reaching certain milestones by particular dates. Each objective you reach is a victory, a tangible sign of progress that brings you one step closer to your goal. They are the checkpoints that keep you motivated and moving forward. In business, your goal might be to build $1 million enterprise. At the same time, your objectives could include launching a new product line, reaching a specific sales target, or expanding to new markets within a defined time frame. Goals and objectives are like two sides of the same coin, each equally important, each complementing the other. Your goal is your destination, your dream, your objectives, and the steps that will take you there. Now, it's time to set your goals and objectives. Visualize the summit of your Mount Maven, the pinnacle of your entrepreneurial dream. Don't be afraid to dream big, to aim high. Then, break down this grand vision into smaller, more achievable objectives. Remember, the journey to the top of Mount Maven is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires patience, resilience, and constant adaptation. Your objectives may need to be revisited and adjusted as you make your ascent, as the terrain of the business landscape shifts and changes. But with every objective you meet, with every step you take, you're not just moving closer to your goal, you're growing, evolving, and becoming a more experienced, resilient entrepreneur. So, start today. Set your sights on the summit, chart your course with clear objectives, and take that first step toward your entrepreneurial dream. The climb may be challenging, but the view from the top of Mount Maven and the satisfaction of achieving your goal will be worth every step.